Donald Trump for.
You guys shall come on in.
Okay.
The plumbing piece is been resolved, right? Now we're looking at.
Not necessarily, everything still backs up.
Everything's still backing up.
Yeah,
Like if
we
she
tried to
was-
do a load of laundry and it backed up today. It's,
Well, did that, so you're not positive that the plumber got all of the, handy wipes that were shoved down or flushed? I understand, I think the plumber
the
was saying
plumber
that there
found
was some.
toilet paper and toilet wipes.
Yeah, toilet wipes.
But the
That,
pipes.
in the
and-
washing machine, you think? That there's toilet wipes in the washing machine?
Yeah, because this happened on the opposite side of the house.
It's complete opposite.
Well, come on, I think that was our understanding from the plumbing, that the plumbing piece was resolved, so if it's
I mean,
not,
no.
you guys have seen.
No, it's not resolved.
Sit down.
Thank you.
What can we do for you?
And, well, I would like someone to come out and remove the water and clean up the mess at my daughter's house.
What else?
And,
I mean, I think that a plan needs to be put in place about the pipes.
What about the pipes?
the pipes being completely and
Bottom
totally
rotted. Yeah,
bottom
the
rotted.
plumber that y'all hired told us that that an incident was
What
going
does
to
that
happen
have to
within
do
the
with
week.
you?
It has to do with the house being, and apparently you told her that she was invited to leave.
And I'll tell you
if
that
she-
again, if you're not happy there, leave.
Well, she has a lease, and you're legally obligated.
I'm allowing her to break it without
She
penalty.
doesn't want to break her lease.
Okay,
She
then
doesn't have.
stay.
She
Then
doesn't.
stay.
I'm sorry, sir, but I'm speaking, and I've spoken with an
It's time
attorney.
for you to leave.
No.
Leave.
Excuse me?
Excuse me.
No, leave. If you don't leave, I'll call the police.
You're gonna call the police because
will.
because I'm showing you
'Cause I've been-
pictures of this.
Don't show me
you're,
pictures
you're,
of anything.
I'm showing you pictures of rotted plumbing and sewage in my daughter's home,
Go call,
and you
Go call
refuse
the
to
police.
and you refuse to fix it.
go call the police.
Okay, that's what you're telling me. You refuse to fix it, and you're inviting me to leave, and you're gonna call the police on me.
I've asked you to leave politely, please.
You are just amazing to me, sir. I cannot believe that you still have a job. Do you realize what I do for a living?
Oh, well, please tell me.
I work with commercial property managers who take care of their tenants in the restoration industry, and I am shocked by your behavior, and I cannot believe that this company lets you work for them. And believe me, I'm gonna let them know.
Good.
You have a wonderful day.
You as well.
You don't have to call the police. We're leaving.
You don't have to call the police. We'll leave.
Yeah.
As a matter of fact, my lawyer will be in touch with you.
Yeah.
And if you want her out of the house, you'll be legally evicting her. And you know what? Maybe we'll call the police. I'll see what my lawyer says.